How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. Unfortunately, Facebook does not have a built-in feature that allows you to directly prevent someone from taking screenshots of your posts or messages. However, there are some indirect ways to protect your content from being captured or shared without your permissions. And here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, simply tap on the Facebook profile picture option available in the top left corner of your screen. You can see your profile picture there. Tap on it and navigate to your profile. Now, on your profile, right next to the edit profile option, you can see 3-dot option available there. Simply tap on the 3-dot and you'll be navigated to profile settings. Here, scroll down and you can see lock profile option available. Simply lock your profile. Now, once you lock your profile, except for the friends you accept the friend request of, nobody else can access your content. Simply tap on the 3-dot again. Then inside 3-dot, tap on the view as, and you can see your profile is logged successfully. By locking your Facebook profile, you can control who sees your personal information and limit access to your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.